Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's DIY video is dedicated to wall art, and you will be surprised to know that it is really inexpensive and very simple to do. I found these wall art at the online stores and also in the market, and I tell you they were a little expensive. So I decided to do a DIY with that. So without wasting any further time, let's get into the video. For the DIY, you would need fabric, tree twig, tassels, which should probably match the fabric. And to know how I made these tassels, please keep watching the video until the end. Glue gun, and also the yarn and scissors to make the tassels. Start by folding the top of the fabric for about 1 inch. Please make sure that the fabric you use should be little thick so that it is not flowy. Now with the help of the glue gun, seal the ends of the folded part like so. You may also stitch it if you want to, but for me glue gun was the easiest part, so I did. Once you are done, take the tree twig and pass it through this like so. Now let's do the tassel part. For that, turn the fabric onto the opposite side and with the help of a glue gun, stick them one by one, leaving a 2 to 3 inches gap between each. Now to complete the wall art, take the yarn and tie it to the end of the tree twig like so. Make different loops if you want to. Do the same onto the other side of the tree twig, leaving some yarn to hang in between like so. Seal the ends with the help of the glue gun so that threads remain in place. Your wall art is now ready. Now let's move on to DIY tassels. Now let's make the tassels. Start by wrapping the yarn around using your all 4 fingers, or else use a piece of cardboard. Remember, the length of your tassels depends upon the length of your fingers or cardboard. I'm gonna go about 50 rounds. Now once done, gather all your strings and with the help of another string, tie a knot between and secure the top. Now cut the ends of the tassels and clean up the ends by trimming it. The tassel is now complete. And that's it for the video. I hope you like it, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and also please comment down below what you want to see next.